When someone is considering buying a home, the first thing I would tell them is select the real estate agent that you want to work with, because they're going to guide you through the process. Once you have an agent that you feel comfortable working with, they can go over pre-approval, buying cash, because you can find the perfect home, but if you don't have proof of how you're going to pay for it, your offer is not getting accepted. Once you have your financing lined up, then we conduct a needs analysis and say, okay, based on your budget, what are must-haves, non-negotiables, how far is it from work, what's the drive time, or maybe your children's school. We're looking at what exactly is it that you need, not only in terms of location, but in the house itself. And I'd rather ask 50 to 100 questions up front and show you 5 homes than ask 5 questions and show you 100 homes. Once we determine that, we're going to set up your search parameters and we're going to base that on the non-negotiables. Then we're going to start touring homes. Once we see a home that you like, then we're going to make an offer to purchase it and start the negotiation process. What ideally happens is we're under contract, under the terms that we wanted, then we are doing the contract to close process. If you're getting financing, the bank is going to want to order an appraisal. If the appraisal doesn't come back in at the offer we made, there's another potential negotiating point. Or if we have to, be able to walk away. The terms of the contract make sure that your escrow is being protected. If you don't honor the terms of the contract, you're at risk of losing it. So that's what we're doing throughout that process. It can take anywhere from as quickly as 2 weeks if there's no homeowners association and no holdup with financing. Most closings are taking 30, 40 days. So we've passed all the contingencies, we've done the inspections, the appraisal, you're approved with the HOA, you know what funds you're bringing to closing, we're reviewing the settlement statement, and then we're going to the closing table where you're transferring ownership by signing all the documents. Once ownership is transferred to you, you get the keys. Then you take possession and we celebrate. If you're considering buying a home, I'd love to be your agent of choice and help you make that purchase.